Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize this special number, which is called build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter System and Updates, and here enter Developer Options. So now scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and if you've got it turned off, simply tap on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.